You like Henry, eh?
Yeah. Whoa, look.
Henry's a very nice guy.
How?
Hyro.
Yeah.
Diesel 10. Harvey. Butch.
Whoa.
James.
Look, Dad. Dad.
Dart. Where's Belly? Where's Belly?
Here. See, buddy?
Nice horn. Thomas train whistle. Here comes the trains.
I call James. See, do it. You should like this.
I can put that back.
Yeah, we're gonna leave them over there. Sorry.
I can't put it over there?
No, it gets in the way of all everything, the strollers and people walking. That's why they're all along the windows. Sorry.
It's so comfortable. I was falling asleep on it.
Dad, look.
Who's that?
Percy.
Percy, I love you. I love you, Percy. Are you pulling freight? Nice job, Percy.
You got all the animals visiting the trains today, sweetheart? Yeah?
I think he's just playing with the trains.
Oh, just the trains?
Did they actually sell something like that?
The table?
Yeah.
We don't have the table in stock. It's
Probably on the internet, eh?
Yeah. We do sell it. The base is $210. The board is, I think, $70. And the train set on top is like $499.
So altogether,
It's about $700-ish.
they probably package it up, make it cheaper. Or?
Well, this here, this Thomas, has actually everything you see on the top.
Oh wow!
With trains, what is it? It's a little, well, it's been sat on and loved. So it's regular $4.99, but we give a discount. So this is what is in there.
Big Thomas.
And I don't know how many different trains come in there.
Does it include the trains?
It does include some trains. Let me find out how many trains it.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, Thomas is.
Look, Thomas the Tank Engine book. Right here.
Book. Oh.
Thomas book.
Look. Look, Dad. Coin. Look, Dad.
What's that?
Coin.
Wow. Mighty Rocky.
Yeah, I can.
Hi, Rocky. How's it going?